Hey guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is honestly embarrassingly easy. 3 ingredients, 15 minutes, and I promise you're going to make these every single week. And the secret ingredient? Condensed milk. That's it. That's the whole secret. Pour a can of sweetened condensed milk into a saucepan. Add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder and stir until smooth. No lumps. Be patient here. And okay, I'll be real with you. At this point, it smells so good, I genuinely had to stop myself from just eating it with a spoon. We're making actual truffles though, so let's keep going. Add 30 grams, about 2 tablespoons of butter. Put the pan on the lowest heat you've got, and now just stir. Constantly. For about 8 to 10 minutes. I know, but don't you dare walk away, because it will stick to the bottom and you will be sad. It's ready when it gets thick and starts pulling away from the sides. You'll see it, trust me. Take it off the heat and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. And this is the part where it goes from chocolate paste in a pan to something you genuinely pay for at a cafe. Rub a little vegetable oil on your hands. Seriously, don't skip this. Otherwise, the mixture sticks to everything, including your dignity. And roll into balls. About 10 grams each, roughly 1/3 of a teaspoon, about the size of a grape. I got around 30 from one batch. Okay, real talk. While you're rolling, what's your favorite dessert? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely nosy about this stuff. Mine is anything chocolate, obviously. These truffles included. Dust generously with cocoa powder, put 3 on a pretty plate, and that's it. Serve with coffee or tea and watch people think you spent hours in the kitchen. The rest keeps in the fridge for 5 to 7 days. I put mine in a glass container and dusted them before closing the lid. If they last that long, honestly. Try this and let me know how it went. And subscribe. New recipes every week. See you next time!